Other one. Two of them to film. Yeah, Corbin?
What?
I just saw that lightning. I saw it behind that tree.
Oh.
And I'm just getting eaten by deadly bugs. And I'm still wearing shorts. Whoa. Not raining yet. And the mosquitoes are coming back as well. I hate the mosquitoes. Oh yeah, Corbin.
What?
Last time on 2023, on July 1, I couldn't even watch the fireworks. You know why?
Why?
Because all the stupid mosquitoes are bothering me. I hate the mosquitoes. Corbin, you're a seagull.
I'm not a seagull.
Corbin's a bird.
I'm not a bird.
Whoa. Hey, Corbin.
What?
You're an angry bird. Oh, there we go. I just got that whole flash on camera. Hey, Corbin.
What?
You're a tree. Oh, you're back. Oh. Yeah, it was just orange juice. Oh, there it goes. Whee! What are you, silly hockey stick? I'm standing on the steps. I can see. Oh, the wind's picking up. Corbin? The wind's coming on my way. I could just feel that wind on my elbow, on my legs, and my body. That burning smell. There's something on fire? I hope nothing better not be on fire. I could just... Oh, there I got it, Corbin. I got it on camera.
Nice.
Now we got pink lightning coming now. Uh-oh. The wind's gonna get stronger. The wind's gonna get strong. Hey, Corbin.
What?
You're an angry cloud.
Not even cloud.
Leave my body alone, mosquitoes. I'm gonna go back in the back. Yeah, Corbin?
What?
I'm going back in the backyard, okay? Hi, Mr. Cat. Oh yeah, Chico's still on the back still, I forgot. Yeah, Corbin?
What?
You're a dog. Wait, I'm a what?
Did I say hi to Chico?
Chico's in the back, he said hi already.
Hi, Chico.
He's just enjoying outside. Okay, I'm in my backyard now. I can see much better now. I need to zoom out so I can see. Sky looks pretty dark. And the wind's picking up a little bit.
Oh, there's not my phone. Hey, Donovan,
Huh?
check out my TV remote.
For what?
I thought it was my phone. I thought it was my phone.
Why are you using a TV remote as a stinking phone?
I don't know.
Hey, Corbin.
What?
It'd be cool if you have your own phone and you can make your own storm videos like I always do.
Yeah.
But Corbin, you know you have to start from the beginning?
Yeah.
Part 1. I'm trying to get to 200, maybe 300 storm videos. Oh, I just got it.
Oh, it's getting dark over here.
Is it windy over there on your side? It's not windy over here, not raining over here. I can still see the moon. Oh yeah, Corbin.
Yeah.
Well, good time we got our first thunderstorm with no leaves on the trees yet. Right, Corbin? It's not windy over here. Not windy on your side, Corbin?
Huh?
Not windy on your side?
Oh, it's getting dark.
Oh, I just seen that. What was that I just see? I just got that on camera. I don't know what was that. I think that was a big flash of lightning or something.
No thunder?
Huh?
No thunder?
Oh yeah, no, I don't even hear thunder. I just seen all the lightning. At least everything's almost... It's not even windy over here. Is it... What?
Getting really dark over here.
On your side? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it's getting dark over here.
It's partly cloudy right now. See the moon outside? It's over there. Moon. It's up in the sky. Hey. It's not raining yet. Because I don't want this rain ruining this video.
Yeah.
Hey.